Hello everyone, welcome to Kavin English Learning Channel. Today I'm going to recite you a poem. There Will Come Soft Rains by Sarah Teasdale. There will come soft rains. There will come soft rains and the smell of the ground, and swallows circling with their shimmering sound, and frogs in the pools singing at night, and wild plum trees in tremulous white. Robins will wear their feathery fire, whistling their whims on a low fence wire, and not one will know of the woe, not one will care at last when it is done. Not one would mind, neither bird nor tree, if mankind perished utterly, and Spring herself, when she woke at dawn, would scarcely know that we were gone. Thank you. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I will meet you soon with an interesting lesson later. Bye.